So just a quick heads up, this is just my way of doing the rice water treatment. I'm not saying any other way is incorrect. I'm not saying my way is perfect, but this is what works for me. Alright guys, so let's get started. Right here I just have some basic white jasmine rice. You can use your choice of organic or just simple jasmine rice like I did. So what I'm doing here is just pouring the rice into a bowl that I have a lid for because it needs to be fermented, which is when the rice sits for about 12 to 24 hours so all the protein can be soaked up into the water. And if you can't tell, what I'm doing here is basically just cleaning off the rice because that's something you want to do before you let it get fermented, because you don't want all the dirt and the grit going into your hair. You want nothing but protein. Now, as far as measurements go, I eyeball it because I've been doing it for a while. So I kind of just put a great amount of rice and then I make sure that my water is filled over the rice, pretty much filled to the top basically. If you want, you can use for every teaspoon of rice, a cup of water. Me personally, I just eyeball it. Now, most people say that it's best to use purified or distilled water, which is why I'm using bottled water instead of water from the faucet. You personally, well, there you go. You personally, what the hell? You know what I'm trying to say. So here we are. It is the following day and 24 hours later, and the rice water has just been sitting with a lid on it, so it's full of protein right now. Blech! I'm just fucking with you. I don't know why people say it smells that bad, because it doesn't smell that bad to me. But anyway, I have my strainer. I have put the water and the rice into it so that the water and the rice can separate. As you can see, I'm trying to get every drip of water. Okay. And now I'm just simply pouring the water back into the bowl without the rice and filling up my spray bottle. And it's showtime. So what I've done here is I've already washed my hair with Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, which is my fave. Ugh, works wonders for my hair. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and section it off and prepare to spray the rice water onto my hair. What I failed to mention is that I like to condition my hair before I use the rice water and after. So I've also already conditioned it too. Here, I'm just spraying my edges really good. You want to spray your edges. You want to spray the ends of your hair. You mainly, most importantly, want to get into the roots, the follicles, honey. That is where you want to get all that rice water settled. This is what the rice water looks like when it's in your hair. This is just me continuing to spray the rice water in every section of my hair very thoroughly. Please ignore that burn mark on my forehead and that piece of hair in between my eyebrows. But anyway, I was showing y'all that I have minimal shedding since I started the rice water treatment, and I wish I would have showed y'all before I shampooed, but I forgot. So here you go. Your girl did not have a shower cap, so I definitely used a Walmart bag, which is just as good, honey. Tied it on up so that rice water could just settle on in my hair, cover that hole right there so no air can get out or in, honey. I'm trying to let it soak on in there. Yes, mama, work. Yes. So I rinsed my rice water out after letting it sit in my hair for 30 minutes. So you just gonna try me again, huh? This how your mama face used to be when she used to be like Didn't I tell your motherfucking ass to sit your ass? I'm gonna whoop your ass when we get. And then she tried to smile and play it off because people looking at her. So I'm just going back in with my conditioner so I can get the smell out and make sure that there is no residue of rice water left in my hair, because, you know, too much of anything isn't good. So I don't want too much protein just stuck sitting in my hair. Just enough to be absorbed and taken in as a benefit. So I forgot to film the end of the video, but I left these clips so you can see how thick and full my hair has gotten since I've been using the rice water. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for the next video. Thanks for watching.